Hi guys, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. Hey, I'm having a little bit of an issue with a conversion that I did. And I'm going to kind of share the information with you and to what the problem is. Okay, here's the tractor I'm working on, or the conversion. It is an Ertl RC converted. It's got 4 motors, 1 on each wheel. The problem I'm having is I am running channels 3 and 4 to run the remotes in the back, channel 1 and 2 for steering and drive. And the issue I am having is from the receiver in the front to these out here. And it doesn't matter if I take and plug these in right to the receiver. I'm using a FlySky T6 radio and a FlySky receiver. Now I have tried different receivers. I have tried different radios. I have done multiple things. I've actually even taken the electric motors out. And what I did was took the electric motors out of the aluminum tubes, put them in plastic tubes to try and insulate them, thinking that maybe there was an electromagnetic pulse going on, creating a problem. But here is what the problem is when I go to move, now, let's say I go to drive. Now watch how glitchy that servo gets, and watch that 3-wire linear actuator try to draw itself in. And it doesn't matter if I go forward or reverse. Now, I have tried a glitch buster on the receiver to try and any power voltage drop. I've actually ran a multimeter on the receiver and wired in with this in there to see if there was a voltage drop causing this. What is somewhere in this model there is, well, I've got 2 models that I've done, very similar builds having the similar issue with the 3-wire linear actuators or servos wanting to get glitchy. The steering servo, now I can hook these into the steering servo channel on the radio, which is channel 1, and I don't get that problem. So, and I've actually even tried and eliminated, I unhooked the steering servo from it, thinking maybe that had a bad draw and that was causing a glitch issue. I've unhooked that, and I still have the problem. So, I don't know. I'm kind of at my wit's end. Tried different radios, tried different installations, tried different solutions. Now, the only other solution that I do have, and I really didn't want to do it, is I will add 2 more ESCs, go to 2-wire linear actuators running out of the port out of the back. I don't know what the issue is. I don't know if these 4 motors are causing enough electromagnetic pulse in the system or what's going on exactly. So, yeah, if anybody's got any ideas, shoot them towards me, because I'm about giving up. I've tried, I pulled my hair out to the point that, yeah, anyway. But that's what I'm having for issues. I've tried multiple things, different receivers, different radios, trying to isolate the motors. They're just, I can't get away from it. I actually didn't mind, running a 3-wire system or a servo if I want to run some equipment or something on the back. That was kind of my thought. And this one here, I've got a single motor in it and gearboxes and differentials and stuff. No problems with that one whatsoever. None. Zippo. This 4-wire motor setup, I'm having issues. So maybe that's the problem. And, I had planned on basically making some more of these, but if this design is not going to work, I'm going to give up on it. I'm just going to quit doing it this way. With the single motor setups and stuff, yeah, it seems to work fine. But with this 4 motor, I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea what's going wrong. it's been a frustration. I actually boxed these tractors back up about a year and a half ago when I built them. And I drug them back out and tried different things time and time again over the last year and a half or so. And I'm pretty much at wit's end. Somebody suggested taking it to the local college that has a robotics setup and hand it to them and say, hey, you guys solve the problem. I don't know. I don't really want to do that. Figured see if anybody's got any ideas. I'm open to trying anything else other than maybe I got to go to a completely different brand of radio. I think I'm getting some signal cross in the receiver, but I've tried different types of receivers and different models of receivers, and no problem solved yet. So, yeah, that's my problem. So, catch you guys later.